flaky, itchy, and irritated. Living with psoriasis can be a real challenge. Not only do those frustrating flare-ups affect your daily life, but they can also impact your mood, relationships, and self-esteem. Thankfully, there are many ways to making living with psoriasis easier. Interested in finding out more? Well, be sure to keep watching. Hello and welcome to MedTouch, the best place to find the right medical information. Psoriasis is a non-contagious, chronic autoimmune disease that causes patches of inflamed, scaly, painful and itchy skin, typically around the knees, elbows, scalp and nails. There are several types of psoriasis, with symptoms ranging from mild, affecting less than 3% of your body, to severe, affecting more than 10% of your body. Although there's no cure for psoriasis, there are many ways you can treat and find relief for it. That's why in today's video, we're sharing 8 tips you can use to manage psoriasis and keep your symptoms under control. Tip 1. Avoid dry skin. When it comes to managing psoriasis, the only thing you want to avoid as much as possible is dry skin. As you probably know, the drier your skin is, the more susceptible it is to redness, itchiness, and inflammation. To ensure your skin stays well hydrated, make sure you routinely apply a thick, fragrance-free moisturizing cream each day. Soaking your skin in a warm oatmeal bath for 15 minutes can also be really helpful. After bathing, showering, or any exposure to water, always remember to gently pat your skin dry and immediately reapply any ointments or creams to ensure your skin stays moist. Tip 2. Avoid skin irritation and itching. If you suffer from psoriasis, dealing with itchy, irritated skin can be an ongoing, frustrating battle. Even though it can be painfully hard, try to resist from scratching or picking at your skin. Instead, when itchiness or irritation occurs, gently apply your moisturizer, an itch-relieving ointment, or a cold compress to the affected area. You can also help to prevent itching and irritation by avoiding hot water, harsh soaps, perfumes, dry weather, and irritating fabrics. Tip 3. Reduce stress. If your psoriasis often gets worse when you're feeling stressed, you're not alone. Stress is a well-known trigger for psoriasis, so help manage your stress more effectively by trying to set aside 10 minutes each day to practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, mindfulness, or meditation. You may also benefit from reaching out to your doctor, a qualified mental health professional, or joining a psoriasis support group. Connecting with others who understand how you're feeling can be a great way to reduce stress, strengthen your support system, and remind yourself that you're not alone. Tip 4. Stop smoking. If you're a smoker, it's time to quit. Smoking cigarettes damages your skin cells, increases inflammation, and results in more frequent and severe psoriasis flare-ups. It also increases your risk of developing cardiovascular disease, inflammatory bowel disease, and several types of cancers. So if you've been thinking about quitting, now's the time to start. If you need help managing your cravings, talk to your doctor or reach out to your local quit helpline for more information and support. Tip 5. Cut down on alcohol. Drinking alcohol isn't just tough on your liver, it's tough on your skin too. When you consume alcohol, toxins build up in the deep layers of your skin, causing inflammation, redness, and swelling, all of which contribute to more frequent, severe psoriasis flare-ups. Alcohol can also negatively interact with psoriasis treatment, causing it to be less effective and, in some cases, ineffective altogether. So, before you go ahead and pour yourself a drink, consider the benefits of cutting down, or better yet, avoiding alcohol completely. If you find yourself using alcohol to manage your mood, reach out to your doctor or a qualified mental health professional for support. Tip 6. Get a little bit of sunshine. Did you know that just a few minutes of sunshine each day can help to improve your psoriasis by slowing down your skin's growth and shedding rate? Yep. But before you get too excited, it's important to be aware that spending too much time in the sun can actually make your psoriasis worse and increase your risk of developing skin cancer. Try to limit your sun exposure to no more than 10 to 15 minutes per day, and if you plan on being under the sun for longer, don't forget to apply a broad-spectrum, fragrance-free sunscreen, slide on a pair of sunglasses, pop on a hat, and wear protective clothing. Tip 7. Eat a healthy diet. Although there's no cure for psoriasis, you may be able to reduce the frequency and severity of your symptoms by incorporating more healthy, anti-inflammatory foods into your diet. Try loading up on fresh fruits and vegetables such as leafy greens, broccoli and berries, as well as foods that are rich in omega-3 and 6, such as legumes, nuts, and fatty fish. You may also benefit from cutting down or avoiding pro-inflammatory foods such as red meats, dairy, and processed foods. Some people also find that a gluten-free diet can help lessen the severity of their symptoms. If you're unsure which foods are best for your individual needs, seek advice from your doctor or a registered dietitian. Tip 8. Seek medical advice. If you're having trouble managing your psoriasis, speak to your doctor. Your doctor can help you identify certain factors that may be triggering your symptoms, such as medications, foods, or stress. They can also determine whether a more advanced treatment method is needed, such as light therapy, potent steroid medications, coal tar, or in some cases, immunosuppressants. Psoriasis is also linked to a number of health conditions, such as psoriatic arthritis, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, as well as depression and social anxiety. Your doctor will be able to detect any warning signs and, if need be, refer you to an appropriate specialist for further review, such as a rheumatologist or a psychologist. So there you have it, 8 tips to manage psoriasis and keep your symptoms under control. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, leave us a comment, and turn on that notification bell so we can stay in touch.